Exercise for skin health. Exercise by getting the heart rate and improving blood circulation can help to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin, which keeps the skin healthy, promotes collagen production, and promotes new skin cells, which keeps the skin looking glowy and is also helpful for anti-aging. Immediate effects of exercise include increased blood flow to the skin and increased lymph flow, which decreases eye puffiness. Does exercise help skin look younger? Of course, yes. Studies have shown exercising regularly can improve the health of your skin, making it looking younger and more resilient, whatever the age. Another study found moderate to vigorous exercise resulted in visibly younger looking skin. There are a few ways that exercise can boost collagen levels. Exercise delivers nutrients like vitamins and oxygen to skin cells, helping them repair and multiply. Specifically, these nutrients feed the fibroblast cells in your skin that produce collagen. Why does my skin glow after gym? Exercising boosts your energy levels and improves blood circulation, which in turn encourages the flow of oxygen and nutrients that nourishes the skin cells throughout the body. Working out also eliminates toxins from the body through sweat, while leaving you with a brighter, radiant complexion and flushed cheeks.